Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here we'll be working on a BMW, guys, and it's a video request, okay, because some of you needed help, guys, and mention that in the comment section below, guys. If you have any of the following 8 codes that you can see in the corner of the video, guys, and you have a BMW X5, we'll explain, guys, 90% of the time what causes these codes, okay, and how to fix it. Now, most of the times you'll get only 1, maybe 2 codes, not all of them at the same time, but we'll explain, guys, what causes that and how to fix it on a 6-cylinder engine. But even if you have a 8-cylinder engine, procedure is practically the same, just the location of that sensor will be different. Now, quick introduction to the channel, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Specifically on BMWs, we make close to 400 or 500 videos. Why? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts or tools for your BMW to fix that problem, check out the links in the description of the video below. We share them for your convenience. Specifically right here, guys, we have this is N52 gasoline engine that you can find, okay, in the X5, but that same engine has been used in the 3 Series, 5 Series BMW X3, X5, guys. Now, we're demonstrating, guys, on a 3 Series, okay, but practically the same engines have been used in X5, but many of you ask me about these codes and I feel obligated to help you guys as much as I can. We have a little bit of free time, so I decided to make the video and show you what causes that code. Now, you guys have 2 sensors, okay, on the 6-cylinder engines. On the 8-cylinder engines, most likely you have 2 sensors again. Some will come with 4, but that's very rare. And I'm talking about, they're called NOx sensors, but in order to get to them, guys, okay, you need to remove your intake manifold. In order to remove the intake manifold, you need to, guys, disconnect the car battery the correct way, okay. Some of you may not know, but it really matters which battery terminal you connect and disconnect first, so you do not cause any damage to the electrical system. If you don't know that, we have a video, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below that will explain all that, guys, so you can see how to do that, guys, the correct way. Now, if you want to see how to remove the intake manifold, I'll put the link to the video there as well. And once you remove the intake manifold, okay, this is your cylinder engine block. This is the cylinder head on top right here, and you can see on the engine block, you guys are going to have on the upper side of the engine block, you have 2 sensors, one here, one over there. That's called NOx sensors, guys, okay. And they detect the knock of the engine. So knock is considered, guys, when you have a premature or late combustion, sometimes when the gasoline, okay, and the air explode inside, and if it's not on time, it creates that knock, like ticking sound, and that sensor is going to detect it and it's going to adjust the timing, okay, or the timing of the fuel injectors, guys, variable timing, or the timing of the fuel injector, so it can adjust that, and you can, guys, okay, have a nice running smooth engine, guys. Otherwise you can cause damage to the valves, quite a few components, so you don't want that to happen, guys. And that's what they do. Now, any of the 8 codes most likely will relate to a NOx sensor, not always, but most likely. And how you replace them, okay, you guys, okay, get 2 like that. This is called a reverse Torx tool. With a tool like that, you remove the bolt and remove the sensors. Most of the times you have to replace both of them at the same time, not always, but most of the times, because they come to one connector. If you need to buy any, we will have the link in the description of the video below. So hopefully, guys, that will fix your problem as well. If you guys have any more questions, just let us know. We try to help as many of you as we can, guys. Thank you for watching, thank you for the support, and see you guys next time.